Hi there, I'm Grace. Welcome to Bright Learners. Have you ever noticed that some words in English always go together in a certain order? If you switch them around, they might sound a bit strange. For example, English speakers say bread and butter, not butter and bread. Sounds interesting, right? Today, let's explore the most common word pairs that go together naturally in English. By learning these, you'll sound more like a native speaker. Are you ready? Let's get started. Food and drinks. Bread and butter. Bread and butter. Bread and butter is a simple but tasty snack. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. I like to add salt and pepper to my soup. Peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter and jelly go well together. Milk and cookies. Milk and cookies. He enjoys milk and cookies after school. Burger and fries. Burger and fries. A burger and fries is my favorite fast food meal. Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese. Kids love macaroni and cheese. Chips and salsa. Chips and salsa. We ate chips and salsa at the party. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. Fish and chips is a popular British dish. Spaghetti and meatballs. Spaghetti and meatballs. I love eating spaghetti and meatballs with cheese. Wine and cheese. Wine and cheese. Wine and cheese taste great together. Everyday objects. Cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. She placed the cup and saucer on the table. Lock and key. Lock and key. The door has a lock and key for safety. Pen and paper. Pen and paper. I wrote a letter with a pen and paper. Table and chairs. Table and chairs. The table and chairs are in the kitchen. Hammer and nails. Hammer and nails. He used a hammer and nails to fix the shelf. Needle and thread. Needle and thread. I need a needle and thread to fix my shirt. Socks and shoes. Socks and shoes. I forgot my socks and shoes at home. Gloves and scarf. Gloves and scarf. She bought matching gloves and a scarf. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Always use a toothbrush and toothpaste to clean your teeth. Camera and tripod. Camera and tripod. A camera and tripod help take steady pictures. Natural phenomena. Thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning filled the sky during the storm. Sun and moon. Sun and moon. The sun and moon take turns in the sky. Stars and sky. Stars and sky. The stars and sky look beautiful at night. Ocean and waves. Ocean and waves. We played in the ocean and waves all day. Rain and umbrella. Rain and umbrella. I like walking in the rain with an umbrella. Ice and snow. Ice and snow. Be careful. Ice and snow make the road slippery. Fire and smoke. Fire and smoke. Fire and smoke can be dangerous. Earth and gravity. Earth and gravity. Earth and gravity keep us from floating. Wind and leaves. Wind and leaves. The wind and leaves dance in the air. Day and night. Day and night. Day and night make a full cycle. People and relationships. Family and friends. Family and friends. Family and friends make life special. Husband and wife. Husband and wife. A husband and wife share their lives together. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters sometimes fight, but always care. Teacher and student. Teacher and student. A teacher and student learn from each other. Doctor and nurse. Doctor and nurse. A doctor and nurse work together in the hospital. Parent and child. Parent and child. A parent and child have a strong bond. Athlete and coach. Athlete and coach. An athlete and coach train every day. Police and criminals. Police and criminals. Police and criminals are on opposite sides of the law. Babysitter and child. Babysitter and child. A babysitter and child stay together when parents are away. Boss and employee. Boss and employee. A boss and employee work in the same company. Work and abstract concepts. Law and order. Law and order. The police help keep law and order in the city. Rest and relaxation. Rest and relaxation. After a long day, I need some rest and relaxation. Track and field. Track and field. Track and field events include running and jumping. Problems and solutions. Problems and solutions. Every problem has a solution. Problems and solutions go together. Research and development. Research and development. The company invests in research and development to create new products. Cause and effect. Cause and effect. In science, we study cause and effect relationships. Supply and demand. Supply and demand. Prices change based on supply and demand. Crime and punishment. Crime and punishment. Crime and punishment are part of the justice system. Plan and execution. Plan and execution. A good plan and execution lead to success. Questions and answers. Questions and answers. The teacher asked some questions and the students gave answers. Culture and entertainment. Movies and popcorn. Movies and popcorn. Movies and popcorn are perfect for a fun night. Music and dance. Music and dance. Music and dance make people happy. Books and imagination. Books and imagination. Books and imagination take us to new worlds. Painter and canvas. Painter and canvas. Painter and canvas create beautiful art. Writer and story. Writer and story. A writer and story go hand in hand. Actor and stage. Actor and stage. The actor and stage make the play come alive. Game and controller. Game and controller. A video game and controller go together. Soccer and goal. Soccer and goal. He kicked the soccer ball into the goal. Chess and strategy. Chess and strategy. He enjoys playing chess and thinking of strategy. Museum and history. Museum and history. We visited the museum to learn about history. Sports and transportation. Horse and rider. Horse and rider. The rider sat on the horse and rode across the field. Car and driver. Car and driver. The driver started the car and drove to work. Train and tracks. Train and tracks. The train moves fast on the tracks. Pilot and airplane. Pilot and airplane. The pilot flies the airplane in the sky. Bicycle and helmet. Bicycle and helmet. He wears a helmet when riding his bicycle. Skis and snow. Skis and snow. She used her skis to slide on the snow. Surfboard and waves. Surfboard and waves. The boy rode the waves on his surfboard. Boat and paddle. Boat and paddle. They used a paddle to move the boat. Bus and passengers. Bus and passengers. The passengers got on the bus at the station. Rocket and astronaut. rocket and astronaut. The astronaut traveled to space in a rocket. Now you know that milk and cookies sounds much better than cookies and milk. Keep practicing, and you'll sound more natural in English. Bye for now.